Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about flashlight bulbs. Now, some of you are going to say, well, I don't have a flashlight take bulbs anymore. I got these ones with these integrated LED circuits in there. You don't change them out. It's supposed to be good for 10,000 hours or whatever, and you just throw it away when you're done with it when they start dying out. Well, I still bet that most of you have an old-fashioned flashlight around, whether it takes 2 or 3 C-cell batteries or D-cell batteries, and it's got an incandescent bulb in there. You may want to consider actually you want to consider doing both, picking up some more incandescent bulbs for it and picking up some LED replacement bulbs. Why get both? Well, you change out to the LEDs now, your batteries will last longer. The LED equivalents are usually brighter than the incandescents because, the circuitry and stuff. But if something happens where we get some sort of a micro EMP or whatever from a CME or whatever from the sun, and some electronics take a hit and those bulbs happen to go because of the electromagnetic pulse, your incandescents will still work and you can put those back in there. All right? So before I take off, just want to remind you, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and add at least one new skill a month to your repertoire of skills. All right? And I'm going to put a link up here on this side to Camp Patton Family Compound. A couple playlists up over here about prepping in private, prepping for beginners. So you can share with you, those are your friends and relatives that know you're prepping, so they can get prepared and not come take your stuff and this happens to you.